to the material session of Gopal Sir's Career Point. This is a video for the student of class 12 on Unit 2. The name of the unit is Electrochemistry. This is the part 8 video of this unit covering the topics galvanic cell or electrochemical cell. Now let us know what do we mean by galvanic cell or electrochemical cell. Galvanic cell or electrochemical cell is a device in which the redox reaction takes place indirectly and the decreases of free energy appears in the form of electrical energy. So what do we mean by galvanic cell or electrochemical cell? It is nothing but a device in which the redox reaction takes place indirectly and the decrease in free energy appears in the form of electrical energy. ଏଠି ଏମିତି ଏକ ଡିଭାଇସ୍ ଯେଉଁଥିରେ ଇନଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ ରିଡକ୍ସ ରିଏକ୍ସନ୍ ହେଇଥାଏ ଏବଂ ଯେତିକି ଫ୍ରି ଏନର୍ଜି ଡିକ୍ରିଜ୍ ହୁଏ ତାହା ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରିକାଲ ଏନର୍ଜି ହିସାବରେ ଏପିୟର ହେଇଥାଏ. ଇନଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ ରିଡକ୍ସ ରିଏକ୍ସନ୍ସ ଆର୍ ଦୋଜ୍ ଇନ୍ ହ୍ୱିଚ୍ ଅକ୍ସିଡେସନ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ରିଡକ୍ସନ୍ ହାଫ୍ ରିଏକ୍ସନ୍ସ ଟେକ୍ ପ୍ଲେସ୍ ସେପାରେଟଲି ଇନ୍ ସେପାରେଟ୍ ଭେସଲ୍ସ ଇଣ୍ଡିପେଣ୍ଡେଣ୍ଟଲି. ଏଠି हाफ रिएक्शंस दुईथर लिखाई टे करेक्शन करनब. इनडायरेक्ट रिडक्स रिएक्शंस आर दोज आम इनडायरेक्ट रिडक्स रिएक्शन क्या कहवा ना जोटी ऑक्सीडेशन एवं रिडक्शन दुईटी डिफरेंट वेसल्स रे सेपरेटली कैरिड आउट होता है. एपरेटस रिक्वायर्ड फॉर गाल्वानिक सेल और इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल सेल. 2 बीकर्स, जिंक रॉड, copper rod, a galvanometer and insulated copper wire. These are the different apparatus required for the construction of the galvanic cell or electrochemical cell. What are the chemicals required? 0.1 m zinc sulfate solution and 0.1 m copper sulfate solution. Let us look at the figure of the diagram. In one half cell 0.1 m ZnS copper solution is taken and zinc rod is dipped into it, which is known as the zinc half cell. In the another beaker, 0.1 m copper sulfate solution is taken and copper rod is dipped into it. The zinc rod and the copper rod are connected by a copper wire through a galvanometer, and the solutions in the two beakers are connected by using a salt bridge. ये diagram अनुजाई आमे गाल्वानिक सेल बा इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल सेल को कंस्ट्रक्ट करी. एटी गाल्वानोमीटर काम होला फ्लो ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन को इंडिकेट करिवो. एबे नजर पकेबा तार डिस्क्रिप्शन ऊपर. डिस्क्रिप्शन लेट अस टेक 0.1 m ZnS copper solution in one beaker and zinc rod is dipped into it. This is called zinc half cell. Now let us take 0.1 m copper sulfate solution in another beaker and a copper rod is dipped into it, and this is called copper half cell. The metallic rods of the two beakers are connected by a galvanometer by means of an insulated copper wire through a key to detect the flow of current. Galvanometer काम वाला flow of current को से detect करी. The solutions in the two beakers are connected by an inverted U tube containing a saturated solution of potassium chloride, potassium nitrate or ammonium nitrate, which does not undergo a chemical change during the progress. एटी इष्टि को टिके करेक्शन करना. ताले दुईटी बीकर जो सॉल्यूशन आमे जिंक सल्फेट और कॉपर सल्फेट नेइछु से दुईटी बीकर को आमे गोटे इन्वर्टेड यूट्यूब द्वारा कनेक्शन करिवो. जो यूट्यूब रे एमिति एक सॉल्यूशन थिबो जहा दुईटी जाक बीकर थिबा सॉल्यूशन सहित कोनोसी केमिकल रिएक्शन करू नथिबो. What is the salt bridge? आमे salt bridge क्या कहवा? The two ends of the U tube plugged by some porous material such as cotton or wool. This is called salt bridge. So a salt bridge is an inverted U tube containing a saturated solution of potassium chloride, potassium nitrate or ammonium nitrate, which does not undergo a chemical change during the progress and whose two ends are plugged with some porous material such as cotton or wool. This is called a salt bridge. Now, What does this electrochemical cell or galvanic cell work? On connecting the two rods, zinc rod dissolves to form Zn2 plus ions, which goes into the solution. Thus, oxidation takes place at zinc anode by the loss of electron. Zinc solid, zinc rod ରୁ zinc solid ଟି dissolve ହୋଇ Zn2 plus ହେଇକି solution କୁ ଯିବ ଏବଂ ଦୁଇଟି ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରନ୍ କୁ zinc electrode ପାଖରେ ଛାଡ଼ି ଦେଇ ଆସିବ. As a result, zinc electrode ଟି negatively charged ହେବ. The electrons produced at zinc anode flow through the copper wire to the copper cathode. What happens at the copper cathode? At the copper cathode, these electrons are gained by the Cu2 plus ions from the solution. Solution, ଆମେ copper sulfate solution ରେ copper rod dip କରିଛୁ. Solution ଭିତରୁ Cu2 plus ion copper cathode ପାଖକୁ ଆସିବ ଏବଂ ସେଇ ଦୁଇଟି ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରନ୍ ଯେଉଁଠି zinc anode ପାଖରୁ ଆସିଛି ତାକୁ ସେ accept କରିବ, gain କରିବ. The Cu2 plus ions are reduced to copper solid as follows. Cu2 plus aqueous gains 2 electron to give copper solid. Since the electron flows from zinc rod towards copper rod, the electric energy is produced and the direction of the conventional current is opposite to that of the flow of electron. ଏଠି flow current ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି, ଏଠି correction କରିନେବ flow of electrons. ଏବେ ନଜର ପକେଇବା, what are the cell reactions takes place here? Zinc rod dissolves as Zn2 plus ion into the solution and Cu2 plus ion from the solution come to the copper cathode, gains 2 electron and reduce to copper solid. Thus the net cell reaction is Cu2 plus aqueous plus zinc solid gives you Zn2 plus aqueous plus copper solid. Cell notation: zinc is dipped in Zn2 plus 0.1 m, salt bridge Cu2 plus 0.1 m copper solid. आमे सॉल्ट ब्रिज ना लिखिपारी, सॉल्ट ब्रिज सॉल्यूशन ना लिखिपारी, स्ट्रेन कथा दिया जाई पारे बा कंप्लीटली Zn2 प्लस न लिखि मते तार कंपाउंड ZnSO4 एवं कॉपर सल्फेट सॉल्यूशन कथा मध्य नाम लिखा जाई पारी. These are the cell notations. Some electrochemical cells and their cell reactions and cell notation. Even नजर पकेवा copper silver nitrate cell. Here it consists of copper and silver rods dipped in copper nitrate and silver nitrate respectively. The salt bridge contains potassium nitrate solution. At anode, what happens? At anode, the oxidation half reaction takes place. Copper solid dissolves into the solution as Cu2 plus ions by losing 2 electrons. And these 2 electrons flow through the copper wire and reaches at the cathode. At the cathode, Ag plus coming from the solution gains 1 electron and become silver solid. So what is the net cell reaction? Copper dissolve as Cu2 plus into the solution and 2 electrons are lost here. 1 electron is gained by the Ag plus ions from the solution and reduces to silver solid. So electron को balance करिया पाई आमे cathode पाखरे reaction को multi into 2 करिवा and by adding these two we get copper solid plus 2Ag plus aqueous gives Cu2 plus aqueous plus 2Ag solid. Cell notation is copper is dipped in Cu2 plus aqueous separated by salt bridge and silver electron is dipped in Ag plus solution and the cell may be noted or represented as follows. Now, out some kata dekhiba, hydrogen copper sulfate cell. Here, it consists of platinum and copper rods dipped in 1m HCl and 1m copper sulfate solution respectively. Hydrogen gas under 1 atmosphere pressure is passed to the platinum anode. Salt bridge containing the potassium sulfate is used to connect the two solutions. What happens at anode? At anode, the oxidation takes place. Hydrogen molecule decomposes to H plus by losing 2 electrons, and these 2 electrons on reaching at the cathode is gained by the Cu2 plus ion from the solution, and the Cu2 plus ions reduced to copper sulfate. Now, at anode, two electrons are lost, and at cathode, two electrons are gained. So only by adding these two cell reaction, we will get the net cell reaction, that is H2 gas plus Cu2 plus aqueous gives you 2H plus aqueous plus copper solid. And the cell notation is the hydrogen gas is deep in HCl 2H plus solid bridge ଆମେ potassium sulfate ନେଇଛୁ ଆଉ Cu2 plus ions solution ଆମେ copper rod को dip କରିଛୁ. In this way cell can be noted. Now let us take another cell, zinc sulfate hydrogen cell. Here zinc rod is dipped in 1m ZnSO4 solution, whereas platinum electrode is dipped in 1m H2SO4 solution along with hydrogen gas under pressure of 1 atmosphere. At anode, what happens? At anode, the oxidation half reaction takes place. Zinc rod dissolves into the solution Zn2 plus aqueous by losing 2 electrons. At cathode, the 2 electrons are reaching at the cathode. S plus gains 1 electron, become H primary change, and 2H combines to give H2 gas. Or in one equation form, we can write down 2S plus aqueous by gaining 2 electron form H2 gas. So the net cell reaction is, by gaining these two reactions at the two half cells, the net cell reaction will be Zn solid plus 2S plus aqueous gives Zn2 plus aqueous plus H2 gas. And the cell notation is zinc is dipped in Zn2 plus separated by short bridge, S plus and H2 gas, platinum alien. Thanks for watching Popal Sir's Career Point. Please like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are watching it for the first time.